Hello. Right, here's a level 2 functional skills from somebody called Highfield. So, we'll have a go at this, see what this is. This is a non-calculator. Let's have a look. Level 2, 40 minutes. Yeah, oh yeah, no calculator. Okay, so let's have a look. Right, calculate the median. Oh, right, so we've got to get them all in order. So, let's have a look. 10. I'm going to cross them off as we go along. 15, 19, 21, 24, no more 20s, 36, 36, 36, 36, 36, 36. That's probably the median, isn't it? 36, 45, 45, 48, 50, and 92. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 3. So it's in there. So the answer is 36. Next one down is 6.4 times 8.5. 6.4 times 8.5. Multiply these numbers together. Ignore the decimal points for the moment. 5 fours are 20. 6 fives are 30. 32. 8 4 eights are 32. 6 eights are 48. 51. Whoops, funny, 50, 51. Add them together. 4 4 4 4 4 5 5 5 5. Now, two numbers after the decimal point in the question, two numbers after the decimal point in the answer, so it's going to be 54.4. Oh, hang on, did I go too far? Okay, Highfield Bank, pick up this premium savings account, 6% interest. Interest applied annually, minimum saving 2 years. You put £900 into the bank for 2 years, calculate the total amount you will earn after 2 years. Right, okay, let's try and do it this way. £900 times 1.06 squared. Okay, and that will give the answer straight away. 1.06 squared. Okay, let's go over there. 1.06 times 1.06. Maybe this is more difficult, isn't it? But anyway, let's do it this way. 6 6 is the 36. 3 6 0 0 6 0 1. Add these two together. 1.1236. And I'm going to times that by 900. So 0 0. 6 nines are 54. 3 nines are 27, 32. 2 nines are 18, 21. 9, 10, 11. And 9, 10. So 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1000 and I reckon that's £1,011 and 24 pence. Okay. Now you could have done it by finding what 6% of that is and added it on, get a new total and do the same again, but this is just the same way. Okay, the bank is ordering some more leaflets. Oh, some more leaflets, yeah. They're packed in these boxes. The boxes are stored in the cupboard. The base of the cupboard is 1.2 by 0.6 by 0.8. What's maximum boxes? So what we're going to do is, instead of doing the volume of the box and the volume of the cupboard, because they've got to go in these got to go in this way upright. So we do 120 centimeters divided by 14. Yeah. And that will find us how many boxes we can fit widthways. Yeah, this is quite difficult, isn't it? Yeah. So let's do 60 divided by 7. 7 sevens are 49. 8 sevens are 56. So it's 8, remainder 4. So we can fit 8 wide. Yeah. And do the same for this. 60 centimeters divided by 14 again. So let's do 30 divided by 7. 4 sevens are 28, remainder 2. Deep, we'll call that. And the height is 80 divided by 25, which is 3, remainder 5. So this is high. So we've got 8 times 4 times 3. That will be how many boxes? 4 8s are 32, 96, 96, 96 boxes. Right. When Highfield Transport gets busy, it offers overtime to a driver. There are 5 drivers. The probability of being overtime available in any given week is a quarter. The driver allocated over is chosen at random. What's the probability of you being allocated overtime next week? Give your answer as a fraction and as a percentage. So we've got you've got a 1 in 5 chance times a 1 in 4, which equals 1 in 20. You're planning delivery of furniture to 2 customers. You will drive at an average speed of 50 miles an hour. Unloading takes 30 minutes. You will leave the depot at 8. What time would you return to the depot if everything went right? So we've got to find the times. So we need this. Yeah. Shush. Don't talk. So we need to find the time for the first bit equals the distance, which is 55, divided by the speed, which is 50, 1.1 hours, which is 0.1 of an hour is a tenth of an hour, which is 6 minutes. So it's 1 hour, 6 minutes. The second part is 110 divided by 50. 5s into 11 go 2, and 1 over 2.2 hours, which is 2 hours and 12 minutes. And the third one is the time equals 135 divided by 50. So I call it 5s into that. So I call it 13.5 divided by 5. So 5s in the north, 5s in 30 go 2, 3, 7, 2.7. Now 0.7 of an hour is 42 minutes, 6 sevens are 42. So that will be 2 hours and 42 minutes. Now what we've got, unloading each delivery will take 30 minutes, so we've got to add another hour onto that. So altogether we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours, 5 hours 42, 5 hours 54, 6 hours plus another hour for the delivery, so it's 7 hours all together. 7 hours altogether. I suppose I could have added all the miles up together. That would have been a lot easier. Shall I do that and see what happens? But it doesn't matter, I've done it now. 6 hours for the deliveries plus 1 is 7 hours. So you will take from 8 o'clock plus 7 is 15. So it's 3 p.m. You will arrive home at 3 p.m. Okay, so that's the non-calc one.